That quiet tension before a storm, that strange electricity that flows through the tech world when something revolutionary is about to drop. Every creator, every filmmaker, every adventurer who's ever strapped a camera to their chest, their helmet, or their drone, they're all waiting because DJI is about to do it again. The whispers are no longer whispers. They're turning into a roar. The DJI Osmo Action 6, the most anticipated action camera of the year, might be just days away from its official reveal. And according to multiple insiders, this might not just be an update. It might be the single biggest leap we've seen in action camera technology since GoPro changed the game over a decade ago. The countdown begins now. Before we go deeper, let's address the facts. DJI has not officially confirmed the date, but industry chatter, supply chain movements, and even leaks from inside Shenzhen are all pointing to one thing: a launch event scheduled for next week. Multiple tech insiders on Reddit, Speedy Drone, and the new camera have cross-referenced October 24th as the target reveal, which means by the time you're hearing this, the countdown has already begun. DJI's silence is the loudest confirmation. Yet, because when they go quiet, it means something's brewing. Let's talk leaks. The jaw-dropping kind first and foremost, that sensor. Early prototypes and internal test units are reportedly sporting a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. To put that into perspective, the current DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a 1.1.3 sensor, which already beats most competitors. Jumping to a full 1-inch means roughly 77% more surface area, drastically improving dynamic range, low light performance, and image realism. We're talking about an action camera that could hold its own against mirrorless systems in cinematic conditions, night rides, cityscapes, underwater scenes lit only by moonlight. All possible with less grain, cleaner shadows, and a richness that small sensors could never achieve. If that's true, the Osmo Action 6 won't just be competing with GoPro, it'll be threatening the entry-level DSLR and compact camera market. A massive resolution leap. Then comes resolution, the other buzz shaking the internet. According to multiple leaks, DJI is testing 8K recording for the first time ever on a compact form factor. K, that's over 33 million pixels per frame, with such clarity that even zoomed-in crops look razor-sharp. Rumors claim it can shoot 8K at 30 or 60 FPS, 4K at up to 120 FPS for silky smooth slow motion, and 1080p at 240 FPS for ultra-detailed cinematic sequences. Imagine capturing a base jump in perfect fluid motion or the splash of a wave in slow detail so crisp it feels surreal. Now, skeptics are already saying, sure, but 8K overheats. True, unless DJI has cracked that code. Reports suggest a new thermal management system using graphene-coated cooling channels and a re-engineered heat dissipation plate behind the sensor. That's why leaks show slightly thicker prototype shells, not just for durability but for heat control. If DJI manages that, it'll finally make 8K usable, not just a spec sheet gimmick. Power meets endurance, and what's power without endurance? DJI knows creators push limits. According to fresh leaks, the Action 6 will feature a 1950 mAh Enduro Plus battery, offering 35% longer recording time than the Action 5. Some insiders even hint at dual battery modularity, meaning you can stack a second cell without shutting down. Imagine changing batteries mid-climb without losing your shot. The new charger system may feature 45W fast charging, allowing a full recharge in under 20 minutes. Stabilization, like never before. Let's talk about stabilization, the heartbeat of every action camera. DJI's Rocksteady has already set industry standards, but this time, rumors point to Rocksteady 4.0 with AI-assisted prediction. Essentially, it learns your motion pattern as you move, studying direction, speed, and acceleration, then corrects the frame before the shake happens. It's like having a gimbal brain inside the camera. Combine that with Horizon Steady 360, and you get perfectly level footage even when the camera rotates completely upside down. GoPro can't match that. Not yet. Sleek, smart, and battle-ready design. Leaks show the Osmo Action 6 looking familiar but subtly refined. Rounded edges, a darker matte finish, and a slightly larger lens with multi-layer anti-reflective coating to reduce flare. Some prototypes show dual touchscreens with adaptive brightness up to 1500 nits, making them visible even in direct sunlight. Waterproofing might go beyond 20 meters without a case, and the front screen could finally support live framing with full control. No lag, no reflection distortion. A fully connected ecosystem. DJI isn't just making an action camera, they're building an ecosystem. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to integrate seamlessly with DJI drones, gimbals, and even smartwatches. Imagine starting your camera remotely, from your wrist using a Garmin or Apple Watch, viewing live telemetry, speed, altitude, heart rate, GPS overlays, all embedded in your footage. That's not just an accessory feature, it's a storytelling upgrade. You're no longer just watching a clip, you're reliving the experience with data-driven immersion. Connectivity upgrades are massive too, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5. 3. Allowing instant file transfers up to 5x faster. Some beta testers even claim you can stream directly to YouTube or TikTok in 4K wirelessly. Imagine vlogging in 8K right from your helmet cam with DJI's new Cloud Sync. That's next-level creator freedom. Storage, codec, and price rumors also suggest 64 GB of internal storage. Not as main memory, but as backup. Lose your SD card? No problem. Your footage is safe. DJI may also introduce H.265 Plus, optimized for HDR and better color retention, giving filmmakers more flexibility without massive file sizes. As for price, leaks indicate 2 SKUs. Standard Osmo Action 6, around $399, Pro Edition, $499, $549, depending on region. If true, that places DJI perfectly, undercutting GoPro Hero 13 and Insta360 Ace Pro while outperforming both in specs. The bigger picture. This isn't just an upgrade, it's liberation. A single, pocket-sized tool capable of 8K cinematic footage, 10-bit HDR recording, wireless uploads, and unmatched durability. But remember, DJI loves to control the hype. Some leaks may be strategic, meant to test interest or distract from other upcoming devices like the Osmo Nano or new drones. Still, every credible report points in one direction: a next-gen action camera redefining what's possible in its size class. The future is now. DJI wants to dominate every layer of the imaging pyramid, from skies with drones, to ground with gimbals, to personal perspective with the Osmo line. The Osmo Action 6 is the bridge between adventure and cinematic storytelling. DJI isn't just launching a camera, they're building a creative ecosystem designed to keep you inside their world. Because the Osmo Action 6 isn't just another box of pixels, it's a symbol of the future of filmmaking, AI-driven, ecosystem-connected, creator-empowered. So as we wait for the official reveal, think about what's coming next. If DJI delivers on 8K, AI stabilization, battery endurance, and ecosystem integration, this launch will mark a turning point in how creators capture and share their world. Because from this moment on, the line between professional and personal filmmaking begins to blur. The Osmo Action 6 might just be the first camera that sees what you see, reacts as you move, and records the world as you actually feel it. Get ready, next week could redefine the entire category. DJI isn't just entering the next chapter, they're writing a new book. The Osmo Action 6 is coming, and when it does, everything changes.